Hi everyone, this is Keshav from iDevice Slash, and as from the title of the video you already know, in this video I'll talk about every single thing you need to know about the iOS 13.7 jailbreak. For those who don't really know or those who don't follow me on Twitter, by the way, if you're not following me on Twitter, you're missing serious things, so just go ahead and follow me on Twitter. I'll link it down in the description below. Free the Sandbox just tweeted about it. We are building a new jailbreak team, first release soon for iOS 13.5 to 13.7. Okay, many of the people were getting confused that this is an exploit which will work with Uncover jailbreak, but no, this is an Uncover like jailbreak. Like, this is really cool, and with this jailbreak they have their own exploit. With this jailbreak you'll be able to jailbreak iOS 13.5 to all the way to iOS 13.7 without a PC. Okay, before we go ahead and talk more about it, I want to tell you a little thing. Okay, there is a giveaway going on my channel. For those who don't really know, I'll be giving away this beautiful icon set which works with iOS 14, and instructions are also linked with this icon pack, which is also featured by Marques Brownlee and cost $28 on their official website. Again, I'll link the website down in the description below. I'll be giving away this icon pack to 3 lucky winners. So how to enter, I'll talk about more at the end of this video, so make sure you watch this video all the way to end. Don't skip it till the end, because I've made an algorithm. If you skip it till the very end, I'll come to know that you have skipped this video and you won't be able to see the end part. Okay, just kidding. But if you can seriously watch this video till the very end without skipping, that will really help me as the algorithm likes it. Drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned till the end of this video to learn more about this giveaway. Okay, so first things first, Free the Sandbox just recently tweeted about this. We are building a new jailbreak team, first release soon for iOS 13.5 to 13.7. Who's in? So this clearly means that they have their own exploit and they are working on a new jailbreak, which will be a no PC jailbreak, essentially working for all the devices, all the way from iPhone 6s to iPhone 11 Pro Max, essentially iPhone 12 also. By the time you're watching this video, every single device will be supported. It's very likely, but again, we are not 100% sure about the list of supported devices. I am very excited for it, and for those who are running on iOS 13.5, 13.6, 13.6.1 or 13.7 will get benefit from this no PC jailbreak. Again, I'm again telling you, this is a no PC jailbreak. You don't need a computer and all that stuff. Plus, another thing that I also want to address is that Uncover also will be getting updated. So if we go ahead and go to this guy, I don't know how to pronounce his name, but I'll link his Twitter down in the description below. He recently tweeted, not recently, like 40 days ago, he tweeted about this: iOS 13.6.1 iPhone 11 Pro Max using custom built kernel read-write primitives. Completely got rid of TFP0 method. I'll make it public whenever it's appropriate. And he clearly says that he used his own tool to get the jailbreak working. Basically, it's not a jailbreak, it's just an exploit that will be converted into a jailbreak. Plus, a fellow YouTuber, which is GeoSnow, he specifically asked him that will he make this exploit public, because this tweet was what, 50 days ago, and he recently asked a week ago that will he make this exploit public, and he said yes, I'll make it public whenever it's appropriate and give it to Uncover team so that Uncover will soon get updated. So if you are planning to update to iOS 14, just stick with iOS 13.7. Okay, just a little warning, I want to say that don't update to iOS 14 yet. If you are planning to do so, just stick with iOS 13.7, because many jailbreaks are coming for iOS 13.7, and you can also subscribe to my channel. I'll just cover all those jailbreak and all the tutorials on how you can do that, so you can just go ahead and subscribe. Plus, this new tweet by Free the Sandbox also states that they are building their own jailbreak. So now the question comes in, which jailbreak will come earlier, this one or this person who has an exploit which he will give to Team Uncover so that Uncover will essentially get updated? Like, no one really knows. Uncover is a really great jailbreak, and the guy, it's over like 50 days and he has the exploit. He has not given it to Team Uncover and all that stuff. Like, no one really knows what is the release date and all that stuff, but I can 100% guarantee you that there is a jailbreak for iOS 13.7, essentially a no PC jailbreak. All devices supported, whether it's iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 10s, iPhone 10, will be supported by this jailbreak, and it's coming really soon. So what you have to do is just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll just cover every single news. Okay, so now the question comes in, is this even real? Like, is this even a real account? They have the jailbreak, they have the exploit, and they are currently working on it. Well, a simple answer to this question is yes, this is a legit account. They are really working on this jailbreak, which is @free the sandbox and all that stuff, because these people are followed by like trusted members of the jailbreak community, plus a fellow YouTuber, which is GeoSnow, has already made a video telling you that this is a proper account. I'll link his video down in the description below. Okay, well, that simply concludes that a new jailbreak for iOS 13.7, 13.6, 13.6.1 and 13.5 is announced, will be released to the public really soon. Plus, Uncover will also get updated by this exploit. Not to confuse this jailbreak with Uncover, because this will be a separate jailbreak, will be like Uncover but not Uncover, but this exploit will be used to update Uncover jailbreak. Okay, so I really appreciate you made it this far till the very end of this video. Well, that was pretty much it for the news. And now, if we just go ahead and keep my phone at a side, and if we talk about the giveaway specifically, I'll link this site down in the description below. Just go ahead and jump to this site, and there you can see iOS 14 Ref Icon Pack giveaway, a simple beautiful icon set made for iOS 14, which cost $28, again on their official website. And now how you can enter the giveaway. So first of all, let's just go ahead and read the rules. Must subscribe to my channel. If you are not already, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and if you are subscribing, hitting the bell icon will also benefit me as well as you also, because you'll come to know whenever I'll post a new video. And must follow me on Twitter, it's iDevice/. So how you can just go ahead and do all these, jump to this link, again it's down in the description below, and when it says that go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, just go ahead and click on it and then hit visit, and this will just basically take you to my YouTube channel. Enter your name as well as enter your email, and I'll just go ahead and hit on the little cancel button. And if you just go ahead and follow me on Twitter, it will give you a separate entry. And then if you just go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, this will just go ahead and give you a separate entry. So if you just go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as follow me on Twitter from this link, again this website is down in the description below, it's very important. If you just go ahead and subscribe as well as follow with these links, you'll get 2 entries. So the chance of you'll win is really high, because my video doesn't get millions of views. So yeah, you can win. Plus I'll pick away 3 lucky winners winning this icon pack. Okay, well, that pretty much marks the end of this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you did, a sub to the channel would be phenomenal. Do let me know in the comment section down below that what you think about this jailbreak and which iOS version you're running on, and I'll catch you guys the next time. Peace.